All right. So it got a little chilly. It's Michigan. It does that. And throughout this winter, I was having a couple of issues where I was sitting there in my car, in my truck, and go to start it, it wouldn't start. Try to start it again, it would start. So that was between October and today, or today. So the other day I go out, the temperature goes from like 70 degrees to like 35. I'm like, okay, I ain't been able to park in my garage, so come out, try to start my truck, my SUV, and it doesn't start. So let me turn it around. 2017 Acadia Denali. Come out, try to start the car. Say, okay, well maybe it's just the battery because the temp didn't drop, got a little chilly. It doesn't start.